Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Irish, and today's video we are doing some unboxing of the stuff that I order online. And of course, if you are new to our channel, I'm Irish Jane Luayi. I'm a Filipina living here in Kingston, Canada with my French-Canadian husband, Philip. And please guys, if you're not connected with me, please do subscribe, hit the notification button, and please do like our videos. Let's do it. Let's do the unboxing. And a couple of days ago, I ordered some item in Guess, and I'm not sure though why this is two boxes here, because I do remember I only ordered one box, and it should be this is the bigger one, but I'm not sure what it is. So we're just going to check it, and let's do the unboxing. Need some scissors, and we're gonna do the unboxing. Ta-da! Unboxing. Okay, it's a hard one, guys, so let's open it. What it is. Oh, is this the bag? Whoa, I didn't expect that it's the bag. I thought the bigger one is the bag. Whoa, so they have this. It shows this, guys, and of course they're gonna give you a card. Thank you so much, Guess. By the way, this is not a sponsor, guys, and they have this mini card, so they say thank you for your purchase. We truly value each and every one of our customers. You are the reason we do what we do. Enjoy your purchase and let us know how can we serve better for you. So cute, Guess. This is not a sponsor, guys. Yeah, of course I'm gonna give you your invoice. Yeah. How come? I thought the bigger one is the bag, but let's look at it. To be honest, guys, I love Guess. Guess is one of my favorite brand. I have some of other brands, but majority of my stuff or the things that I have is from Guess, from the shoes to bags. But I have also other brand that I really love. This is called Spring. It's a Canadian brand, so I like it. So let's check the bag. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at that. Let's get this white. Whoa, look at it. It's so pretty. Hello, guys. By the way, guys, this is their new arrival, and when they have their new arrival, they're gonna give you some. When I order it, guys, it's Black Friday, so I got this for 79 or 75% off with their from the total price, but look at this. I love black bags, so the leather of it is really nice. Look at it. Oh, I like it so much. Like with the G. This is so pretty, you guys. And of course, they have this small one. I'm just gonna okay guys, so we just finished unboxing the first box, which is, I'm so surprised because I thought this is the one that I ordered, the big box, but unfortunately the bag is in the smaller box. But this one, I don't know guys what it is, because I just only order one bag and nothing else. So I'm just confused why they gave me this parcel. But of course, we're just gonna open it because it's under our name. We're gonna open it, guys. Oops. Yes, and let's check it out. Are you excited? I am. And then it's been like double the bag and they'll just give me a free bag. Whoa! If that's the case, well, thank you for them. If they're gonna give me a spare bag. Whoa! What it is? Another bag. It's another bag, but this one, of course, they still have this. Whoa! Of course, the invoice. What? Are they kidding me? It's free. Really, guys? It's another bag. And it's the same one. It's the same, guys. They're so crazy. Are they giving me a free bag? Insane. Look at this. What? I'm just blown away, guys. Aren't they crazy? They give me 2 bags, guys. What the heck? I couldn't believe. What? I'm still overwhelming. Well, maybe it's for me. Yeah. Well, this is the bag. Which is, I ordered this bag only, guys, but it just arrived that I have 2 guest bag, which is, look at it. It's really pretty. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'm still mind blown of what happened, but we'll check because it says here that it's free, so probably it's ready for me. So thank you so much, guys, for joining, and thank you so much, guests, for this nice bag. And of course, this is not a sponsored by Guess, guys. It's just I'm really in love of Guess bags and some shoes and other clothes that they have, and of course wallet. And thank you so much for joining, and this is Irish Jane Wiki, and see you in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.